everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. And for today's video I'm making this dress which I came across on Pinterest and it was around $330, but I'm making this dress in just 500 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this dress, you will need 4 to 5 meters of satin and 1 meter of lining. One zip as well for opening. And that's it. I got all this stuff in 500 rupees. So take your basic bodice block and trace it till shoulder dart like this. And then smooth out the darts. For back, remove the darts through the side seams and then mark the length according to your preferences. Do the same steps for lining as well. Now trace your basic skirt block as it is. Then mark a line through the darts till your hemline. No need to mark any line in the back because there is no slit. Now we will add flare in the hemline like this so that we can get mermaid cut style. To add flare, increase 10 to 20 inches of width in your hemline. Then join it to your side seam. Now mark a point above the hemline like this, then smooth it out with the help of hip curve scale. Do the same process in the back as well. I'm not adding any lining in this skirt part. If you want, you can go ahead. Now sew all the darts and then attach the front panels. Mark the slit height and sew it till that point. Now join all the front panels of main fabric and lining. Then take your main and lining piece together and stitch the neckline like this in front and back. You have to skip few stitches so that you can pass the straps. Now pass the strap through this loop like this and stitch them. Now join front and back, then join top and skirt. Then add the zip for opening. For slits finishing, fold it like this and sew it. And lastly, for hemline, I did picot over here and the whole dress carefully, and it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.